Delta 655, 12.9 climbing 17,000.
Delta 655, New York, center Roger. Delta 655, clear direct to flirt.
Say again?
Delta 655, clear direct to flirt. Foxtrot, Lima, India, Romeo, Tango.
I got the flirt, Delta 655.
Delta 655, fire maintain, for 220.
I'd like to stop the climb at 17,000 feet if possible, Delta 655.
Delta 655, say again?
To stop the climb at 17,000, troubleshoot an issue, Delta 655.
Roger, please keep me over here. Can I just find emergency there?
Yes. We'll keep you advised, Delta 655.
Alright, that should give you a heading. Can you check continuous up the heading?
Heading is fine, Delta 655.
Delta 655, flight heading up 285 now, please.
Alright, heading 285, and I'd like to return to New York Kennedy, please, for Delta 655.
You would like to return to Kennedy at this time? And say the reason, sir?
We're troubleshooting a maintenance issue, but it's looking like we're going to have to return to Delta 655.
Sir. Delta 655, Philly altimeter 2991, flighting 040.
Heading 040, Delta 655.
455, over the main decision.
Delta 455, engine number 1, oil quantity approaching 0.
That's 655, it's going to maintain 14,000, heading 040 now, please. That's 655, tight turn 040. Contact New York approach 120.85.
Alright, 2085 heading 040 now for Delta 655.
Sorry, Delta 655, before you go, you're clear to Kennedy via present position 040 heading. Radar vectors direct Kennedy, maintain 14,000.
Alright, radar vectors direct Kennedy 14,000 and we're heading at 040 now for Delta 655.
Thank you. Delta 655, New York.
Go ahead, 655.
Heading 120.
Heading 120, Delta 655.
Delta 655, New York approach 120.85.
2085, good day, Delta 655. Delta 655 is 14,000, turning heading at 120.
Delta 655, New York approach, you're clear to Kennedy via radar vectors, Kennedy altimeter 2992. I didn't get any information besides that you wanted the RTB. What's the issue?
We have a oil leak in engine number 1 for Delta 655.
Roger, are you in emergency?
Affirmative.
Oil leak, engine number 1. Roger, fuel remaining in pounds and souls on board.
Alright, 25.3 pounds, and we have 133 souls on board, Delta 655.
Roger. Delta 655, descend and maintain 11,000.
Alright, 11,000, Delta 655.
Delta 655, contact approach 125.7. They're aware of the issue. They may ask for the souls on board and fuel as well.
125.7, Delta 655.
Let them know if you need assistance on the ground as well. 25.7.
125.7. Delta 655, leveling 11, 11,000, 120 heading.
Commander, sir, Delta Message. Reset transponder, squawk 1545.
expect Airlines 22 right, squawk 1545, that's 659. That's 090, that's 655.
I'm looking at 040 when you get a chance fuel on board and fuel and pounds and full on board.
040 heading, we have 24,900 pounds of fuel, 133 souls on board, Delta 655.
Delta 655, speed to 210.
Speed 210, that's 655. Speed 00 heading, that's 655.
Heading 3000.
Heading 3000, that's 655.
655, heading is 2607 miles from Ladder, maintain 3000, full south to localize here, clear out, right bridge.
260, 3000, still established, clear down, left 22 right, Delta 655. Speed 180, that's 655. $19.1, that's 655. That is 655, Airlines 22 right.
Delta 655, Kennedy Tower, wind 170 at 9er, multiple departures prior to arrival, runway 22 right, cleared to land.
Clear to land 22 right, that's 655.
And car 99, this is the subject aircraft. You can proceed on runway 22 right from Foxtrot. Delta 655, turn right Kilo 3, right on Kilo, and remain this frequency. Are you able to taxi under your own power?
Kilo 3, Kilo, affirmative, we can taxi the gate, we're working on that now, 655.
Delta 655, roger, cross runway 31 left on Kilo, so you know your gate number?
We'll cross through and left on Kilo, I'll